Okay. Just the fact that there's a pattern on a table. You're sitting down to a table. There are positions for each person, so there's 9 positions. And not just 9, but 3 threes. And 4 levels. And the fact that you have multiple concepts coming together to form like molecules of thought that all come together in regards to the thing we're working on, right, which was the marketing strategy for David Johnston. And then I guess what you missed at the beginning, we did some toning, set some intention, and then what happens, you randomly shuffle the cards, and you draw these cards, and it's all random, right? So it's like you're saying the random event generator, this is like the random concept generator, and then it gives a vehicle for the people to brainstorm that doesn't exist. Like if you come together and brainstorm, I mean, I remember seeing these Edward de Bono cards, these creative whack pack cards. This is multiple levels, multiple forms, and that doesn't exist, at least that I can see. And then the fact of putting values on top of concepts to change your perception.
So this right here seems to be more related to David, but I think the next time we do one of these tables, in a week or 2 from now, it's really going to be about how does this get out and how do we market this technology. Because this is a technology, like I said before, right? And like any technology, how the technology actually is and what it does is sometimes different from how it's going to be marketed and how it's going to be taken up into use, you know, and into the users and into people who can benefit from it. Because we could explain we could explain the virtues of this, you know, like using the most cutting, advanced edge conceptual thoughts of Buckminster Fuller and Marshall McLuhan and the sacred geometry of space-time and our life experience in it, but that might all be very irrelevant to someone who just doesn't need to understand those abstract levels of that and just needs to get down to the nitty-gritty of like what are we here to do and how can we focalize the intentions of everybody here at this table, right? And it's really cool too because we start out with an ohm, so that breaks down barriers, right? And I think that was very